Ever get a signed document back and find that one field says sales, another says sales department, and another just says sales team, even though they all mean the exact same thing? Free text fields let signers type whatever they want. That means your data ends up messy, inconsistent, and sometimes impossible to process automatically. The fix is simple. Give signers a fixed list of choices instead of a blank box. In BoldSign, that's called a drop-down field. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add one. Set up the options, assign it to the right signer, and see how it looks from the signer side too. Drop-down fields work best anywhere you need signers to pick from a fixed set of choices instead of writing something in. Think HR onboarding packets, like benefit tier selection, department, or employment type. Sales agreements, like contract term length, payment plan, or product tier. Vendor and procurement forms, like approval category or budget code. Anywhere a free text box invites typos or inconsistent answers, a drop-down is the better fit. Let's walk through it. From the BoldSign dashboard, select Create New, then Create New Document. Upload your document, enter your recipient details, review everything, and select Next. On the Configure Fields page, add any required fields, like name and email. Then drag and drop a drop-down field onto the document. The field is assigned to the selected recipient automatically, and is required by default. You can also enable Read Only if recipients should only view the value instead of selecting one. Now let's add the options, say Sales, Marketing, and Operations. Instead of adding them one at a time, click Import to add them all at once. You can type the values separated by commas, semicolons, or line breaks and import them in one go, or switch to CSV upload and bring in the list from a file. A sample CSV is available if you want to check the format first. If the field already has options, you can choose to add the new values to the existing list, or replace it entirely. Any duplicates are filtered out automatically. You can also set a default value and customize the field's appearance to match your document. Once everything is set, send the document for signature. Now, let's switch to the signer's perspective and see how the field works. The signer receives a signature request email. Clicking the Review and Sign button takes them to the signing page. Review the document and enter the required information. Clicking the drop-down field displays the available options, allowing the appropriate value to be selected. Then they add their signature and complete the signing process. A few quick tips. Keep your option list short and specific. 5 or 6 clear choices beat 15 vague ones. Use a default value only when one option is genuinely the most common case, not just to save a click, and label the field clearly enough that no one has to guess what they're choosing between. That's how you add and configure drop-down fields in BoldSign to keep your documents clean and your data consistent. If you're not on BoldSign yet, start a free trial using the link below. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the BoldSign YouTube channel for more eSignature tutorials and product walkthroughs.